Hey guys, FHDTV here, and today we're going to be looking at my desk setup for mid-2018. Now this one I'm pretty excited to show you because since last time I've done a ton of stuff to the whole room. I've rearranged stuff, I got a new computer, I added a secondary display, and I switched to PC from Mac, and so I'll do a video on why I did that later on. But other than that, I got a new camera, the Panasonic Lumix G7, and so far I'm absolutely loving it. It's fantastic. It's very crystal clear, sharp, fast, responsive, so I'll do a review on that pretty soon too. So in the meantime, let's get right into the video. I guess I'll start over here with the filming desk, I guess, or extra desk. So this is the desk I do a lot, like homework when I have school, and it's my filming table. A lot of stuff for B-roll is shot on this table over here. These are all my lenses, my old camera, it's a Sony A5000. Here's the box for the Lumix G7, which I'm filming on right now. Just a lamp and business cards. It's a pretty clean table, just so I have plenty of room to film B-roll and stuff on, which you should be seeing a lot of in the upcoming weeks. Then down here, nothing important. I have this water bottle, it's cool. But other than that, no, it's just my bed, guitar over there, shelves and stuff. So over here is where I filmed the intro of the video. It's nice because it's a nice bright shot, especially with the window right here. Excuse how bright it is. But it's really nice with the window over there, and then I have an umbrella light there. My closet's there, that's not important. And then, there's really not much to show as far as everything in this room. But I can talk a little bit about the filming gear over here. So this microphone I'm using right here is the MXL 990, and it's a great sounding microphone, especially for the price. It's powered by phantom power, which I run into my interface over there. I have it directed up towards me, and that's how I get all my audio in the videos. It'll focus. So that's that. Then I have it on this mic stand, and then the cable runs to my interface. Now right here I have the David and Sanford V18 fluid head and tripod. It's a fantastic tripod, very fluid, of course, that's where it's got its name. Very sturdy, heavy, strong tripod. And I picked it up on Black Friday for a reasonable price too. So I'd recommend checking this tripod out if you're looking for a fluid head, because I think it's great. And then up here I have that Bright-Tech LED circle light. And it's kind of just a budget ring light for my camera, just to add a little bit of natural color when filming. And mine's, I don't know if you guys have this. Let me close the window so you guys can see. Mine doesn't have the same kind of button as I've seen on other YouTube reviews, like the silver one with the light around it. Mine's just a flush white button, but it still works the same. Alright, so then on top of that I have a really cheap newer camera cage. It's huge, yeah. I might replace it to get a custom fitted one for the G7 eventually, but it works for my needs right now. And then really quick, my light bulbs. This one is an Osram Lightify light bulb, and it changes colors, kind of like the LifeX. It's not as good, it's not as fast, but it's a lot cheaper. And then over there is my LifeX light, which is amazingly bright. You guys can't even see that, but it's a fantastic light. It's amazingly bright, and I love it. It's perfect for lighting the room up. So then lastly over here we have the main desk setup. So right here on each side of my desk I have JPW speakers, and they are both passive older bookshelf speakers, but they work great for what I use them for. This table here is an IKEA Lindemann desk. It's very cheap, but it's very nice, I guess. Yeah, it's nothing much to say about that. I like it because it's clean, it works for what I use it for. Then I have the speakers on a couple of stands over here. I'm not exactly sure what they're called, but I picked them up on Amazon for like 50 bucks. And they've held up well. Then right here in the middle, I have my Focusrite Scarlett Solo audio interface, and this gives me one mic input, which is all I really need for what I'm doing as far as videos, to record my voices. And I have phantom power right here, the knobs to adjust, instrument plug right here for like a guitar or something, and then the volume knob and a headphone jack. So that's what I have as far as audio, and then I have all it running back there and organized. And by the way, the light strip running on the back of my desk is a LifeX Z, I think is what it is, light strip, and it's bright, it's wonderful, it's responsive. And then right here I have two Dell monitors. They're slightly different, which kind of bothers me just a little bit. One's slightly taller than the other. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Yeah, one's slightly taller than the other, and that kind of bothers me. Not really much, but it's just more of an aesthetic thing than anything else. This one isn't as good as this one. This one's newer, and so that's why I have that as my main display. And let's see what else. I have a Seagate 5 terabyte hard drive over here. This is where I export my videos, store my videos, and store and archive extra files onto there. And then right here I have my Logitech K810. There we go. But there we have it. It's backlit. It's wireless. Works great for what I use it for, and I think it's fantastic. And then right next to it we have the classic Logitech MX Master mouse. Had this for a while. I love it. It's fantastic. Works great. It's comfortable. Hopefully I might get the S model or the 2 as soon as I can in the space gray color, but right now I think that's perfect. Right here I have my Sherwood amplifier. I've talked about this on my previous desk setup tours. Nothing special about that. It's what powers my computer. I run that into the interface, and the interface goes into my computer. And then I have all the cables just jumbled under the desk here. And then a footrest down here, just because. So then I have my main computer down here. So I have it in this Zalman Z9 Neo Performance Gaming Mid-Tower computer case. It's white, it's clean. I love it. It has great airflow and a nice little window on the side. And it came with the blue colored fans and everything too. And a lot of expansion in here. It's a Gigabyte 1050 Ti graphics card. Works great, has I think quite a few HDMI ports on there to run my screens up here. And then I have 8 gigabytes of RAM, let's see if I can show you in there, glare, 2 4 gigabyte sticks. And then in here I have my AMD Ryzen 5 6-core processor. It's behind that fan back there, but it's been working great for video editing. This whole computer altogether is just fantastic when it comes to editing and putting it together. And I have all the parts to this computer in my kit, which will be in the link in the description. And so yeah, I think that is everything. Let me know if I forgot anything or if there's anything else you guys would like to see. So I'll just give one quick pan of everything. Desk setup, filming setup, stuff, nightstand, and my filming and B-roll desk. So there we go, and a nice clock. Don't forget the clock. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know what you thought of it, what other kind of videos you want to see. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot if you do that. I'll leave a link to most things I talked about in the video, and I have my kit down below too, which you guys can check out and see everything that I use. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.